Help!
Hello.
Hi, honey, I'm hurt.
Honey?
Honey, I'm hurt.
What? Where are you?
I came off the bike at about 50 k's an hour.
Honey!
I'm hurt.
Where are you?
I'm just outside of on road. Nothing's broken, but my neck hurts.
Oh, sweetheart.
And my tyre's destroyed. I can't make it home.
What's destroyed?
My tyre.
Oh.
I'm hurt. I need help.
Okay, well, I don't know how to get the bike home. I can come and get you, but how will we get the bike home?
I don't know. Look, I'm on my feet, okay? I'm on my feet. There's nothing I can do. My neck's really sore, honey.
It's not good. What are you doing?
I don't know. I can't leave the bike here. I'm really lightheaded, honey. I'm gonna hang up and I'm gonna send you my location on Messenger.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All I can hear is the fucking PJ Masks.
Yeah, it's your son watching it.
I've got to try and get this wreck down the hill.
Okay, honey.
I'm in a lot of pain, so please don't delay. Fuck. I'm bleeding, just so you know.
I know that, Nick.
Alright, I gotta go.
Alright, bye.
Oh, some really, really bad news, everyone on the YouTubes. I have destroyed the Mark V hybrid. Alright, so I have to assume that the rim has buckled. I'm pretty hurt. I'm battered and bruised, but I'm okay. I'm upright and a bit of a stiff neck, but we survived. Hopefully the GoPro caught it. I think next cab off the rank is trying to get us rolling again.